morning, everybody. This is Mike Lung over at Allendale's Trading Floor. It is Thursday, December 3rd. Starting the day off with a little bit of support in this market after our export sales report that just came out. So corn and beans marginally higher, with wheat a little bit lower here on the day session. Beans currently still with an inside day on that real body of the candlestick, so we'll be watching that here. On the fundamental side, we got the export sales report that came out. On the lower end of things for beans, actually pretty solid here for the corn during this week. You had a holiday trade week last week, so this is actually a pretty solid number that we're looking at. We saw some good flash sales from Mexico and unknown over the last week that definitely helped out with that number, but as of right now, not something to be looking at a bearish tone with the export sales number in that general direction. We did have some rumors floating around about China being in the market a little bit, looking for some wheat. We did have corn that, even with this good export sales we have today, yesterday broke support line and was able to recover above it. So we'll see if you can find some more supports or if there's a little bit of worry coming into this market now that the long-term trend line has been broken. The U.S. dollar is definitely helping keep some kind of bid underneath this market, with it sliding back, continuing to break into new lows for the move. So something to monitor there as well. You get that dollar to really flush out. Should be pretty beneficial here for the commodity space. On the technical side of things, we have wheat here that is showing this lower slide, which at this point you could be looking at a slight channel developing, potentially some kind of flag formation, but short slide with open interest really decreasing out of the wheat market as a whole. So not the best signal of a bullish tone, but as of right now, not something to get overly worried about holding our support level at this time. So definitely something to be paying attention to is this 580-ish level, and seeing if we do find and continue to find support down there. On the livestock side of things, boxed beef took a hit yesterday, down 251 for the choice, down 13 for the select. Hog carcass up 278 yesterday, and we are hearing midweek sales of 112 being traded in Texas. So we'll see if that continues going into the end of the week. We would really like to see that come Friday, helping keep a bid in this cattle market and keep it moving. As of right now, it is sideways. Looking at the hog market, we are seeing this bunching of moving averages that's showing consolidation. Moving around the $66, $67 area, and looks like the midpoint for this move as of right now is the low from late September. So we'll be watching for some kind of breakout, but as of right now, you got a nice evening star look up here, which would suggest that we continue this consolidation move. So something definitely to be watching about. But if you guys have any questions on any of these charts we post, or any charts that Allendale posts on our Twitter page, please feel free to call me at my direct line, 815-578-6177. I'd be more than happy to discuss the theory behind why we are looking at it, what the setup is involved, and really just why we look at the charts the way we do. So any questions, again, 815-578-6177. But today for Allendale, this is Mike Lung. You guys have a great day out there.